Please board the train in an orderly and timely fashion. And always wait for other passengers to get off before boarding. Trains in Japan usually leave on time, so try to arrive a little early to avoid missing your train. Please place suitcases and other large luggage out of the way of other passengers. On crowded trains, why not wear your backpack to the front instead of on your back to show consideration for other passengers? Needless to say, it's best to give up your seat to pregnant women and senior citizens. If you can do this, you're really cool.